All right, there's been an issue with TPMS sensors on dually rear wheel Ford Transit CDVs, particularly the 2022 model. What I found is that you have to take off all 4 of the rear dualies to scan them. I'm gonna show you right now how that goes. Right here on this TPMS device, we're gonna choose Ford, and then we're gonna use Transit dual rear wheel, okay? And then of course it's 2020 to 2023. Now we're going to go down to position relearn. We're going to hit yes. Stationary relearn, yes. Gives you the instructions for how to do it. This is how you do it. Take the key, put it in the ignition. It's okay, let it go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when it honked, it says, hey, I'm ready to learn, okay? So it says front left tire. We're going to do that one first. Stick the device right up on the valve stem and hit the sensor trigger. If the vehicle honks, it has learned the position of that wheel. If it doesn't honk, but the sensor reads it, the vehicle has not learned the position. So these front tires are typically pretty easy. It's when you get to the rear dualies that you're gonna have a problem. So let's go back here. I've left these tires on to demonstrate the problem. You can't get close to the inside valve stem on either one. And even if they're far apart, if I try to read one, see how the sensor read it, but the vehicle did not. All right, so as you can see, we have taken off all 4 of the rear dualies, and we're gonna start the relearn process one more time. Okay. Brake, 1, 2, 3, brake, 1, 2, 3. Vehicle's ready to receive the signal. Front left tires first. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit it. Got it. Got it. Right. Make sure the device matches what it says on the dashboard, so that right outer tire. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That was the inner tire. This is the outer tire. It does not like it. How about that? It's a little ridiculous, don't you think? But that's what we got to do, okay? Same thing with this one. Doesn't like it, right? So I'm gonna move it closer here. Let's see if that'll do it. Wow, amazing. Let's go to the other side. All right. This one is the inside tire. This is telling me to do the inside tire, but the dashboard is telling me to do the outer tire, okay? See, train outer left rear tire. So this is not matching, so I gotta make sure that I go to the outer tire on this one. It said it wanted me to do the inner tire. We change it to the outer tire. So the outer tire is this tire right here. Oh, love. You know the drill. Get closer to the vehicle. Got it. So it seems like we have to angle it kind of toward the vehicle, get underneath with this sensor, and then hit it. Change in position and do it again if we have to. Vehicle says training complete. Before you put these tires back on, if you don't have valve stem extensions, like this one doesn't have a curved one that goes around the back, it's a good idea to check the tire pressures with the device, or just pump it up with a compressor to spec before you put it on the vehicle. That way you don't have to take it off again. And that is how you program a 2022 Ford Transit CDV rear dually.